Very good morning, students. This class I welcome you to solve this equation. This is the fourth type. Okay, already we see three types. This is the fourth one. How can you identify it's the fourth one? Every linear equation is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But here x and y it's in denominator, so it's a fourth type. So how will you solve the fourth one? Just look at the sum. The question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. And 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. The denominators are x and y, so it's a type 4. Let's assume. So I will take let 1 by x is equal to capital A. That my assumption letter, you choose any letter. 1 by x is equal to capital A as well as 1 by y is equal to capital B. So shall we choose 1 by x value is A and 1 by y is equal to B. So the first one, it is 1 by x, 2 is also in denominator. Instead of this 1 by x, I can write A as well as instead of this 1 by y, I write B. So what I write? A by 2 plus this is 1 by y, I can write B. B by 3 is equal to 2, the first equation. And second equation likewise. 1 by 3 is there, this 1 by x, write a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this is the first step. This is a given question. My assumption is 1 by x equal to a and 1 by x equal to b. So I convert a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2 and a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. That's all. Okay, can you understand? Now we will take LCM. See this LCM? 2 3's. So 2 3's are 6. 3 into A, 3A plus 2 into B, 2B is equal to already 2 is there. So it implies this division 6 comes and multiply. So 3A plus 2B is equal to 2 6 are 12. It is my first equation. Understood? Good. Now second one. A by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Once again I want to take LCM, so it implies 3 2's are 6, cross multiply 2 into A, 2A plus 3 into B, 3B is equal to all the number is 13 by 6. Division comes at multiplication, very good. So I write 2A plus 3B is equal to 13 by 6. This division 6 comes in multiplication 6 6. So should be cancelled. So what's the answer? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. It is second equation. Equation number 2. So this is a given sum. I take 1 by x equal to a, 1 by equal to b. With the help of this one, I make a first equation 3a plus 2b equal to 12. Second equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now 3a plus 2b equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b equal to 13. This is the first equation, it is second equation. Now I am going to using elimination method. Okay. So with the help of elimination, this is 3a, this is 2a. 3 not comes in 2 table and 2 not comes in 3 table. So I will take the first equation, multiply by 2. So what's the equation? The whole term multiply 2. 2 3's are 6a plus 2 2's are 4b is equal to 24. The next one. Second equation is multiplied by 3. Then the whole term multiplied by 3. 2 3's are 6a plus 3's are 9b is equal to 39. Elimination method. So change the symbol minus, minus, minus. So minus 5b is equal to minus 15. Minus minus cancel. So b is equal to 15 by 5. That implies b is equal to 3 because 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. So we have to find the b value. B is equal to 3. Now we have to substitute b equal to 3 in any equation. So shall I use equation number 1? So 3a plus 2 b of the value 3 is equal to 12. So 3a is equal to 12 minus 2 is 6. 3a is equal to 6, that implies a is equal to 6 by 3, a is equal to 2. So I find the A value as well as B value. But the given question is solved. That means to have to find the X value and Y value. So how do you find the X value? We choose in the first itself A is equal to 1 by X. A is equal to 1 by X. It's the first step for us. So what's the A value here? A value is 2 is equal to 1 by X. Cross multiply, X comes inside, 2X equal to 1. Therefore, X is equal to 1 by 2. I found the X value. Now next one. What's the B value? B is equal to 1 by Y. That implies B value is 3 is equal to 1 by Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 1 by 3. I found the Y value. A is very easy method. After completing A and B, it's a shortcut. Just write a reciprocal. If A is 2, X equal to 1 by 2. B is 3, X is 1 by 3. That's all. Thank you.